Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to learn something very interesting. You'll be learning how you can stream on Instagram using your computer. And this one is especially for those who have a Mac system. If you have Windows, sorry, you're out of luck today. But if you have Mac, keep watching. You're going to learn very interesting stuff. As you know, like live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience. And this is something I've been trying for a while and it's working really great. So with this, let's learn how you can stream on Instagram live using your Mac and desktop. Right, to do this, we are going to use two software. One is called Ecamm. They offer free trial for 14 days, so you can try it on your Mac. I'll leave the link in the description. Another one is a free software. It's called Yellow Duck. And I'm also going to stream this for the first time, so we will see everything right away. So I've already downloaded the Yellow Duck. Now let's just open it. Okay, so click on Start Now. Now I need to log in using my Instagram ID. Let's just log in and it should give us one of the streaming RTMP link which we need to use to start streaming. Let's see how that works out. Alright, so here is the RTMP link. So now let's quickly open Ecamm. Now in the Ecamm, first thing first, you need to change stream size to stream aspect to tall because that's what we'll be using. And select the in here in the destination, select the custom stream key. Now copy the RTMP URL and also the stream key, and then click on use custom and then click on go live. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so it says it's live, and I believe you can see my screen. And so this is Ecamm. Ecamm is actually very good software for streaming from your desktop. It works great on a Mac. It's only available for Mac right now. Unfortunately, it's not available for Windows. Let's see if we are live or not. So on Instagram, it's showing that we are live. It's getting started. The only thing is when we are using stream key on Ecamm, we can't see the comment and reaction live. So for this, you need to open the mobile app and see people live, but it's working well. There are 11 users live. Hey guys, where are you from? Let us know in the by typing. And the good thing, like if you are watching this live, so here, as you can see, like we are already live. People can see us from the desktop. So with that, guys, that's how you. Okay, let me stream this. Stop this stream and broadcast. So guys, that's how you stream live from your desktop on Instagram. I wish if the Ecamm comment and reaction feature works, it would make it super amazing. Unfortunately, it does not work with the stream key, and there is no direct integration for Instagram live yet. But at the same time, with the Ecamm, you can stream live on Facebook, Periscope, Twitch, YouTube. There are a lot of platforms that it supports, and this is something which I've been using for a significant amount of time, and it's brilliant. Again, so you need two software. One is Ecamm and one is Yellow Duck if you want to stream live from your desktop. And with that, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is SEMRush.